Hi, welcome to Sleep Hacking. Have more energy and spend less time in bed. My name is Scott, and over the past 2 years, I've studied sleep extensively while experimenting on myself with everything that I've learned. The process has helped me alter behaviors, build habits, and leverage tools to achieve more energy during the day while spending less time in bed so I can spend more time doing the things that I love. I used to spend an average of 7.5 hours a night sleeping. Even though by medical standards this was classified as a sufficient amount, I still found myself tired at times. I was frustrated, which is why I started to study and experiment with my sleep. I'm proud to say that today I average about 6 hours of sleep and have never had more energy because of the habits I've built and application of things I've learned. If you compound that hour and a half over the course of a year, that's more than 4 weeks of additional time spent awake that I get to spend doing the things that are important to me. I think that's pretty amazing. In this course, I'm going to provide a high-level overview of what happens to our bodies and brains while we sleep, as well as all the variables that affect our sleep quality. From here, we'll dive into each component and learn how to alter behaviors and habits to achieve incredibly high-quality sleep. We'll also touch upon how to optimize elements on the periphery of sleep that affect our energy levels, including but not limited to waking up, napping, and falling asleep. Lastly, we'll take all the things we've learned about sleep quality to show you a system that I used to gradually decrease the amount of time I spend sleeping in tandem with improving my sleep quality. This class is for people who desire to understand sleep and how it affects our bodies, for people that want more energy, for people who want to spend less time in bed and more time doing the things they love, for people who want to feel more well rested after they sleep. This class is not for people who are looking for a magic trick or silver bullet to decrease the amount of time they sleep or improve their sleep quality. It's not for people who aren't willing to do the work or change their behaviors necessary to achieve results. If you're a clinical insomniac, you should probably see a doctor instead of watch a course on Udemy on how to improve your sleep. This class is probably not best for people that have been studying their sleep and how to optimize it for years and years. Not to say that there aren't things in here that they won't find new or valuable, but I'm just looking to manage expectations at the beginning of the course. Just a health and legal disclaimer. The information that I present is from my personal experience and sources that I believe to be accurate. All of these sleep hacks aim to improve sleep quality and thus health and quality of life. For me, this topic is important to me because it's allowed me to be more productive and spend more time doing the things that I love. If this sounds interesting to you, I highly recommend you make this investment in yourself. It's been incredibly worth it for me.